In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the administrator account from your laptop or computer. So if you go and click on your start menu and then click on your user profile, you can see that if I click on these three horizontal dots, we have the account called administrator. So to go and delete this, open up the start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, type in net space user space administrator space /active : no, and then go and press enter. Now you should get the message saying this command completed successfully. Now if I close out of here and come back over to my users, you can see that the administrator has now been deleted. Now if this doesn't work, you can always open up the start menu and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, click on accounts. You can then scroll down to where it says other users, click on this. And if you see any other accounts listed here, you can simply click on it and then just go and remove it from this window. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.